Essential tips for growing hydroponic herbs successfully. Welcome to our video on hydroponic herb gardening. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to grow herbs successfully using hydroponics. We'll talk about choosing the right herbs, setting up your system, caring for your plants, and more. Choosing the right herbs for hydroponic growing. Hydroponic gardening is perfect for many herbs. Basil is a favorite, known for its aromatic leaves and robust flavor. It's used in many dishes and thrives in hydroponic systems. Mint is another great choice. It has refreshing properties and is versatile in beverages and desserts. Cilantro, also known as coriander, is popular in Mexican, Indian, and Southeast Asian cuisines. Its delicate leaves and distinctive flavor make it perfect for hydroponics. Parsley, used for garnishing and flavoring, grows lush and vibrant in hydroponic systems. Lastly, dill, with its feathery foliage and unique flavor, is excellent for pickling and seasoning. Components of a hydroponic system. A hydroponic system includes several key components. The reservoir holds the nutrient solution. The pump circulates this solution to the growing tray, where the plants are cultivated. An aeration system ensures that the roots get enough oxygen. These components work together to create an ideal growing environment for your herbs. Hydroponic system maintenance. Maintaining your hydroponic system is crucial. Regularly monitor nutrient levels, checking electrical conductivity and total dissolved solids. Ensure the pumps and aeration systems are functioning properly. Look out for clogs or leaks. Clean and sterilize system components periodically to prevent algae and other contaminants. Proper maintenance keeps your system running smoothly and promotes healthy plant growth. Nutrient management. Nutrient management is vital for healthy herb growth. Maintain the right balance of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Regularly monitor and adjust nutrient levels to meet the plant's needs. Tailor nutrient solutions for different herbs to enhance their growth and flavor. Experimenting with custom formulations can lead to better results. Lighting and temperature considerations. Lighting and temperature are key to hydroponic herb cultivation. Use LED grow lights to provide the ideal light spectrum for plant growth. Maintain consistent temperatures within the optimal range for your herbs. Proper lighting and temperature control promote robust growth and better flavor. Pest and disease control. Managing pests and diseases is essential for healthy hydroponic gardens. Regularly sanitize and monitor your garden to prevent issues. Introduce beneficial insects to help control pests. If plants get infected, quarantine them to stop the spread. Vigilant management keeps your herbs healthy and thriving. Harvesting techniques. Harvesting your hydroponic herbs correctly is important. Cut or pinch stalks and leaves carefully to promote regrowth. Harvest at the optimal stage of growth for the best flavor and nutrient content. Use sharp, clean tools to minimize plant damage and infection risk. Leave some foliage on the plants to ensure they continue to photosynthesize and regrow. Proper post-harvest care, such as washing, drying, and packaging, extends the shelf life of your herbs. Culinary uses of hydroponic herbs. Hydroponically grown herbs are fresh and flavorful, perfect for culinary use. Basil is great in pasta sauces. Cilantro adds zest to salads. Mint is ideal for refreshing beverages. Parsley and dill are excellent for garnishing and flavoring various dishes. Use these herbs to elevate your cooking with fresh, homegrown flavors. Conclusion. Hydroponic herb gardening offers many benefits. It's perfect for growing a variety of culinary and medicinal herbs. With the right setup, maintenance, and care, you can successfully grow fresh, flavorful herbs at home. Enjoy the process and the delicious results.